In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your credit balance for shopping with Temu, either through their app or on their website using Chrome. So, if you're looking to make the most out of your available credit balance and ensure a seamless shopping experience, you're in the right place. Let's start by launching the Temu app on your mobile device or by visiting their website through your Chrome browser. It's crucial to have either of these handy, as they offer the perfect doorway to a world of shopping possibilities. Once you're in, the first thing you need to do is check your available credit balance. To do this, navigate to the account settings section. You'll usually find your balance information clearly displayed there. Knowing your balance helps you plan your purchases wisely, ensuring that you can make the most out of what you already have available. With your credit balance in mind, it's time to move on to the fun part: shopping. Browse through the wide selection of items Temu offers and add your chosen products to the cart. Whether you're looking for the latest tech, stylish fashion, or practical homeware, take your time to select items that cater to your needs and preferences. Remember, adding to your cart doesn't mean you're committed to those items just yet, so feel free to explore and consider all your options. Once your cart is loaded with your selected items, it's time to proceed to checkout. This is where things start to come together. The beauty of having a credit balance is that it will automatically apply when you're at the payment page. You don't have to manually insert or activate the credit. It's seamlessly integrated into the system, making the checkout process smooth and convenient. Here, you'll see the available credit amount being deducted from your total purchase, giving you a real-time view of just how much you're saving. With your credit balance applied, confirm any remaining balance that needs to be covered using other payment methods if necessary. This is a good time to double-check your order details, ensuring everything from the quantities you've ordered to the shipping address is correct. Once everything looks good, all that's left for you to do is complete your purchase. Click that confirmation button, and voila, your order is on its way. And there you have it, a straightforward process to utilizing your Temu credit balance to its fullest potential. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident on your next Temu shopping spree. Enjoy your shopping experience and happy purchasing.